For this scramble, the only thing I really looked at was the EG1 on red, but you also have a nice layer on yellow going to sledge. So I looked at the EG2 here. So for the corners, how you recognize it is this corner, you look at how it moves when it twists. So this corner will be here. While for the other corner, you just look like with this yellow, this corner will move here and this corner will move here. So we know that we have pi with the headlights over here. And then for the blocks, how you first look at the U center is the corner that goes into the solved center. Here is blue, so that means that green will be the U center. So for the centers, apart from the U center, you look at is the center attached to this corner or to this corner. So that is none of them, so you have no blocks. And then for opposites, you look if this is relative to this. So you see that these two match, so we have an opposite here, and these two are opposite, are different. So we know we have pi here, we have one opposite block here, and that corresponds with this case. So I just, here, the solution for me was doing that case, insert, and then have a B move at the end. Okay, for this scramble, I first checked yellow, and it gave 4 moves to this, would be an 11 mover, but it's not that nice. I also checked on red, these 4 mover. And here you get this good case, and I know one out that would cancel 2 moves here. And it would be here, we do a hedge cancel and then insert like this. But then if you would execute a layer like normal, we would be in a terrible position to use the cancel move. So even if you do it like this, it will be quite awkward. So what I did, I started with an R2 prime, insert like this, and here went into the hedge cancel. So my execution was quite bad, so what I've looked at was on red. You can insert this 4 mover either like this, what I checked first, which is a good solution, but the corners stay the same, so I also checked the other one and only had to check the centers. And here we have this good NS case, and we can actually cancel 2 moves into it. So my solution basically was doing these 3 moves, take the corner out and then insert like this, which would actually have been like a 1.4 or 1.3. So on this scramble, the first thing I saw was this 4 mover on red, which goes to this nice case, which is 10 moves though, so it's a bit long, but it's like a very safe solution. You can go immediately into the AUX, so you'd probably get like a 1.6 and 1.5 maybe if you execute it well. And the one looking is also nice because it goes into this case. And for this case, these 3 corners stay in the same place, and you have a vertical U-turn where this goes in the back. So it's very easy to one look. It's like 1 move trace, you have the corners and vertical U-turn. The next thing I saw was on green, you have this 3 mover, which goes to this triple sledge pi case. And here we can actually half cancel. So the solution here would be this. But it's a lot more tricky, so I was thinking for a bit, do I do the safe solution or do I do the risky one? And I ended up choosing the risky one, and I was able to execute it quite well. And the way I decided to execute it was I hold it like this, insert here, and then do this. So then we had a no bar scramble, and my plan mostly when I get the no bar scramble now is try to look at every insert on the layer. So I have a 1 move corner insert here, and then I look, can I one look this case? If not, I would move to somewhere else. So if I would have checked green first, I would have seen that I had 1 move into this, which I would have been able to unlock. I was on red, so here I saw that I could insert these 2 corners like this in 2 moves, and then at the 3 mover left, and then at this spammy case.